Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another isolated lake episode. Fishing with DYangBass. So this lake is new. I've never been here before, okay? I just pulled up to the ramp. Gonna have to hurry up because I'm in the boat ramp way of loading the boat. So just want to let you guys know that today we are going to break down a new lake that I've never been on. Like, I have no idea how to fish this lake, so we're going to wet the lines and figure something out together. Just stick around. Let's make it happen. Let's learn something new today, and we'll go from there. So with that being said, stay tuned. Alright guys, so right off the bat here, I saw some bluegills with the chartreuse tail swimming away. Right? That gives me an idea, because I've never been here before. I'm gonna be throwing this guy right here. Stick bait for the chartreuse tail. Ta-da! Alright. You know what we're gonna do? Since it's 7 o'clock, it's not too early yet. Holy cow, it's 15 feet right here. That's crazy. I think it was 15 feet right here. Let me just get ourselves situated here real quick. I run back to the car because I forgot my glasses, my shades. It's the most important thing to have when you're bass fishing or fishing a new lake, because a lot of people don't realize this, but you gotta fish with your 2 eyes sometimes, you know. I don't have a fancy electronics, you can see. I don't have a live scope. I only have a Helix 5 down imaging and temperature with a little, you know, out of date map. So yeah, there's a lot of panfish, y'all. Lots of them, like so many. We have 5 hours. It's 7 o'clock, 7:15, and we can only fish till like 12 because I have church service at 1:30. So let's see how this goes, okay? But we're just gonna cruise around real quick, just look at stuff, you know, see what we see, what we can find that's obvious to the eyes, and we'll go from there. All right, time to put on the Crocs. I'm getting serious. Just give me a second here. It's not so hot today for once. Goodness. We'll see, right? We shall see. And I'm using a size 2 offset hook because I want the sinker to have as much action as possible. That's my little trick for you guys for today. Holy thing, there's like a random patch of weed right here. I got a fish, I got a fish, I got a fish, yes. Oh my god, I actually got a fish, guys. Dude, let's go. Oh, I actually got a fish. And it worked, my theory worked. Dude, oh my god, what's wrong with your face? Oh jeez, they're feisty. Oh jeez. Oh, you guys been at the bottom. Yep, so let me, oh jeez, man. Oh, nice. So let me teach you guys something here. When their jaw is busted like that, that means they've been feeding at the bottom, guys. That's a nice, healthy freaking bass. Look at that. Wow, you guys look different actually. So yep, busted lips, bottom baits. That's what it is. Yeah, we got fish. We got fish, guys. I was right with the color, you know, all those brims swimming around with chartreuse tail. Oh yeah, he took it. Just trying to see and map out everything as of right now. I think I just had to hit like a love tap. It would just be a bluegill. That's a nice bass. Well, it's not a big one, but it's a good bass. What the heck? Dude, it's a good bass. Bro, why are they hitting it on a fall? Like, I don't even feel it. And they fight so hard, dude. Yep, yes. Dude, they're so freaking shiny. Why do you guys look so good? Wow. It's another 14 incher. 14, 15 incher right here. You guys don't believe me? I'll show y'all. Catch these guys a lot because I suck. Close your mouth, close your mouth. Yep, see, 15. 14 3/4, so perfect fish. Wow. It's nice. Almost 15 inches. Dude, I don't even feel them hit it. It's crazy. Oh. See. Got one. Better fish, better fish. Way better fish. Dude, they fight so freaking hard, dude. These fish fight real nice. That's a way better fish, dude. He's not that big, but still. No, still a little guy. 15 incher. I guess that's better, right? Ah, we got it, guys. We got it. It's pretty nice. There we go. Oh, they smell really fresh. It's a good sign. Got him. Little guy. We got us up a little bass hanging at the bottom of the reef. Oh, and it popped off. Nice. Yep, this trick right here seems to be working, guys. We are gonna stick to it for now until we figure something else out. Got him. Yep. Much better fish. Much better fish. Stay down, stay down. Just right there. Oh yeah, much better fish. Oh yeah, dude. Heck yeah. Much better fish. Wow. Nice. Oh, that feels so good, guys. Oh my gosh, finally. Much better long skinny fish. There he goes. Clear water bass. So shiny. Oh, that feels good. That fish felt way better. A little guy. I was gonna go down to get my phone. These bass are tiny. They're fun because they're tricky, you know. Big bass, big bass, big bass. Yep, yep. Big bass, big bass. Oh my gosh, that's a good bass. That's a good bass. That's a good bass. Might be a 3-pounder, guys. Might be a 3-pounder or 2-pounder. Hold on, hold on. No, no, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Yep, that's a good bass. That's a good bass. Oh my gosh. Am I recording? Yep, I'm recording. Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. It's a good bass, it's a good bass. Oh my gosh. Gotta go on this side. Good bass. Yep, that's a really good bass. Oh my gosh. Dude, we did it. Finally found a decent bass. Put him in a well real quick. Let him calm down. That's a good bass right there. Heck yeah. Off of that stick bait, guys. In freaking 15 feet of water. I was starting to worry, like, man, this lake ain't got nothing but little dinkies in there. That's crazy. Good bass. Alright, good bass coming back. See you, buddy. Got him. Big fish, big fish. Yep, big fish, big fish. Big fish, oh my gosh. Oh! Yeah, pike. Big pike. Oh my gosh. Dude, where'd you come from, guy? That was a big bass, dude. I popped it on the weed. Good for you, grabbed it. Nice little snake right there. What they've been catching out here. Say, buddy. Alright guys, so that's it for the morning run. It's nice to always just fish new body of waters, learn new things, figure things out, and not everything's given to you, you know. It's a great feeling. It's really hot out here. Try to hurry, I gotta get back. It's around 11:45, so perfect timing. A lot of activities coming out on the lake anyway, so no complaints at all. We caught some fish, we caught one decent one, we caught a few fun sized ones, so no complaints. So with that being said, if you guys enjoy this stuff, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys